At Q-Cells, we are creating a sustainable future through affordable and smart energy solutions. As part of our continued dedication to the growing U.S. solar market, we opened the largest solar module assembly plant in the Western Hemisphere to provide consumers with a new era of American quality.
We manufacture solar modules and we run 24/7 around the clock. We have 4 shifts and we manufacture 12,000 modules per day. The output here in the Dalton, Georgia facility is the largest in the Western Hemisphere. That's 1.7 gigawatts, and that's equal to the peak output of the Hoover Dam. So we're really excited. We're very proud of what we've built here in the community.
Q-Cells coming to Dalton, that is honestly a blessing. Before this, I worked in the carpet industry, and that is about all anyone knows around here is carpet. So when they opened this place, everyone was excited.
More and more companies are looking at alternative sources for renewable energy, and we're very excited to be here in the U.S. manufacturing a product that makes that accessible to them.
When I first heard Q-Cell was coming to the U.S., I thought that was a great idea. By the factory being so close, it makes us feel more comfortable that as the market grows, the supply chain can grow equally as fast.
We're investing in the community, we're creating jobs, and we're manufacturing modules, something that's going to make, our world a better place.
I think it brings Dalton hope. I really do. I feel more confident, I guess you would say, because like working at a carpet mill, you feel like you're doing what your parents done, what your grandparents done. I don't do that. I make solar panels. That's something that not everyone around here has done, and I'm very proud to wear this blue shirt. This blue shirt means a lot.
It's not just about a paycheck anymore. It's about what kind of a company you work for. And I think Q-Cells, we have a lot of integrity to how we do business, and we're constantly working on how to get better about how we do that.
I feel like the future. I really do. We're making it right here.